Welcome to an afternoon edition. It's a Saturday afternoon. Boy, it was wild and crazy this morning. Sun, then rain, and then wind, fog. And now it looks like things are settling down here. A little breezy still. Let's get right into the aviation action. Thanks for being here for this Saturday afternoon edition. Well, figures, I just got back to the room and look at, we got a special livery, Star Alliance livery. And the sun's back out, kinda. It looks like that's gonna change any second now again. Boy, you can see all the ships out there now. $33.57, hoot. Hey, Prime Air to CVG, Cincinnati's Northern Kentucky Airport. Boy, from this angle, look at the, it's in the room so you can't hear crap, but look at all the ships back there over in the harbor. I'll give you one guess who that was. If you guessed the boss.
Can't hear nothing.
You would, boy, that was steep. But you got Prime Air for cargo lovers and the boss all in the same shot. What could be better?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. National 212. Holding shot.
3360, contact NorCal departure. Go.
Marshall Scout 3060.
Boston's Logan. For the special livery Star Alliance 757 rocket ship.
Mark 52 at the approach end. Cross runway 28 right, hold short runway 28 left.
At the approach end, cross runway 28 right and hold short 28 left. There's Mark 52. Yeah, we got 355 miles out for 3 right.
Cheer flight 665, thanks for the patience. On Echo, cross runway 28 left, contact ground 18.
That's 3 left at Echo, over to ground for 2665.
Canada 212 heavy on take.
Oh, heavy jet time. 777 on short final, 2 miles out.
Number 568, you guys can proceed northbound across just east of the tower at or above 1,500. You can resume 101 on the north side of the airport. All right, just east of the tower at above 1,500, back to King.
That will explain. Like I said.
Gateway 1833, San Francisco Tower, 28 right, clear to land.
It's super thanks, super shout out time here at SFO.
Yeah, 27.
Hey, super thanks. Special shout out to Dale Bohm. Dale, truly appreciate you supporting the channel. Truly, truly appreciated. And if you'd like to support the channel like Dale did, please check out the super thanks icon located down by the subscribe button. All right, back to the aviation action we go. JB. All our water has left us. This wind has pushed out this low tide way out there. So they had the nose way up. That was a big flare. 28. Right and left, the only runways open.
Takeoff 28 left, Skywest 3475.
The ones are closed. It would be downwind takeoffs. Last thing they did. Okay, well, we missed the morning 767 300 going to JFK. Hopefully we'll catch this guy on his takeoff roll.
Runway 28 right, third line.
2164. Newark.
They got a Delta across 28 left, contact ground, I believe.
5 hours, 43 minutes.
Yes, 28 right. 33 heavy, minutes to shift tower, running 28 right, third line. Land 28 right, and that's 33 heavy.
Ooh, flare it, baby, flare it. Cathay 892 heavy. 777-300. You guessed it, HKG, Hong Kong. Every time I see this flight, I think of all of our visits to Hong Kong and the gorgeous Victoria Harbor. Looking out on Hong Kong Harbor. Another heavy.
We'll be ready.
And yet another heavy.
Got the 892 heavy, turn left.
Qatari heading back to Doha. The A350 1000.
And 2164 heavy on contact cross, runway 28 left and contact ground. On contact cross, 28 left, contact ground, yeah, 2164. Got 946 Juliet, runway 28 right, mount
Rocket ship, anyone?
5 miles off. Runway 28 right, guys, 946 Juliet. 14, 13, San Francisco Tower, cross, Lake Terminus, heavy 777, 5 miles off parallel. And there'll be a heavy 76 departing prior to your arrival. Runway 28 left, correct, runway 28 right, 28 right, clear for takeoff. 28 right, clear for takeoff, Skywest 946 Juliet.
I'm telling you, I'm a magnet for people somehow. Looks like a husband and wife or a girl and guy. She's standing like 10 feet from me, if that. Posing as he's taking pictures of her. And then again, why right next to me? I have no clue.
Skywest 946 Juliet. Contact northbound approaching. Yeah, 10-9-14. 719 heavy, runway 28 left, line up and wait. No traffic on final for your runway.
He shows her each one and she tells him which one to delete and which ones to keep. I love it. Well, they're having fun. That's all that matters. Oh, to be young and in love.
Delta 2267, turn for Echo and contact ground. Yeah, 528 on Tango, cross runway 28 left and contact ground. 28 left, cross on Tango, United 528 ground on the other side too.
Part 2 of the weekend edition. The Saturday edition. See? Oh, look how the goodies we got coming. 7.5 in that bunch.
Yeah, 233 heavy, keep going down to Quebec, hold short over my 28 left. All the way down to Quebec, hold short 28 left, gonna
719 heavy. The TWA Hotel Special. Hey, I just saw a comment from one of our viewers who said he heard about me always talking about the TWA Hotel and he went and stayed and had a great time.
Good see 594 San Francisco Tower, caution, wake turbines, be heavy 777 depart.
TWA Hotel. You guys ought to be sponsoring a couple of my videos.
Yeah, 1428 heavy, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff. 3 left, cleared for takeoff, and at 1428 heavy, coming off. Qatari 1 Foxtrot heavy, San Francisco Tower, caution, wake turbines, be heavy 78 departing, runway 28 left, not way. Wait, left by Foxtrot, Qatari 1 Fox heavy. 719 heavy, contact northbound approach.
Hotel departure, good day, Delta 719 heavy.
738 heavy.
Heavy, runway 28 left, on way, traffic 6 miles.
Has been cleared. 28 left. It's going to dwarf that 75 right there. 15 hours of Airbus fun. Hopefully if you're in the front of the bus, you're in a Q suite, which are absolutely delightful. Voted by many the best business class seat in the business.
Yes, 9594 plan on a left turn at Kilo. Left turn at Kilo, go 670. Sorry, 1 Foxtrot heavy, contact northbound approach. Contact northbound approach, 1 Foxtrot. Yeah, 990 heavy, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 28 left, United 990 heavy.
Boy, it's been heavy jet afternoon, it seems like so far. Part 2 of this gorgeous Saturday. No, I say gorgeous. I've been freezing my butt off most of the day. Been rained on, been fogged on, been clouded on, wind blown. Now it looks really nice, but it's still chilly, kids. Wind's still blowing pretty briskly. Like the last time I heard it was like 18 miles an hour.
United 1435. 1435, Roger, just ready then. We'll let you know, holding short of today, right?
Guess who's not ready? You guessed it, if you said UA. Oh, I see Air France out of the corner of my eye.
Here to 990 heavy, contact northbound approach. Contact departure, United 990 heavy. You're running 28 left, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 28 left, lock to 1370.
1435 to 75 behind Alaska. Tower says they're ready whenever you are. And he said, okay, so are they lining up? It would appear to be not moving at all. Oh, that could be a good reason why not.
At 1435, runway 28 right, line up and wait, contact 6 miles on. 28 right, line up, wait, United 1435.
Now they can line her up and wait. 757 to service to Houston.
At the approach and cross runway 28 left.
They've been cleared.
Here at 977.
I gotta go get somebody else. We got a
final runway 28 right.
Virgin on its way. May not be able to follow this 75 very long. I don't want to miss this Virgin coming in. It's not every day I get to be with Virgins. Ooh, that was quick. VS 19, London Heathrow, Virgin Atlantic Streamliner. Departed London Heathrow a little over 10 hours ago. Cheerio.
Runway 28 left, clear to land. Clear to land 28 left, that was 874. Open a wind check. Wind 21013. American 2023, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 28 left, American 2023. France 081 heavy, runway 28 left, on its way, traffic 6 mile final. United 900, able to roll to Quebec. Affirmative. Sure. Air France 01 heavy, runway 28 left, line up and way, traffic 6 mile final. Good afternoon, lining up on the west runway 28 left, France 01 heavy. Virgin 190 heavy, turn to Tango.
Ooh.
Runway 28 left on Tango. Turn left at Tango, Virgin.
There's a cargo we saw land earlier. These guys came in from Los Angeles. It's 777. Air Francais heavy to Charles de Gaulle has been cleared. 28 left. This 777 always looks so big. I think it's the paint scheme.
San Francisco Tower, 28 left, clear to land, wind 210 at 11.
Oh yeah, turn it and burn it. Didn't stop. Nice job. Oui, oui, oui.
Yes, 5563, San Francisco Tower, 28 right, clear to land, wind 21011. France 081 heavy, contact North departure. Knock out about cell phone, 20, polite. EI 2678, traffic on a 7 mile final. Right to it, right, line up and wait. Line up and wait, 28
Scared
right,
me.
2678. Up and wait. Okay, right, I'm on my way down to the following 07.
I take it it's cargo.
Tango, Tango. Yes, it's 265, you can turn up to Tango.
Has anybody been to Frankfurt Airport and specifically have they been on the viewing platform? What is that like? Is it just a view of the gates, or do you get runway and landing and takeoff action?
07 heavy. Wind 250.
I can hear him getting a text from the boss.
Clear for takeoff.
She's in the lobby.
Tower Southwest 768, that's visual runway 28 right. Southwest 716, San Francisco Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land, wind 22009. Clear right, clear to land, Southwest 716. right, Charlie, good contact.
After that 345-mile short trip from LA, now they got the long haul, 13 and a half hours to Taiwan.
No, 469, San Francisco, turn to right, clear to land. Clear to land, 28 right, number 469.
Well, judging by that takeoff, that payload can't be too heavy. That was impressive.
5107, heavy contact, north out of departure. Departure, 3507.
5756 from San Luis Obispo, just down the street here. Short flight. Reported a loss and gain of 5 to 10. A short final. So do we got some more wind shear happening?
Combo 193, running 28 left, on up and away.
Tower, you're on 1742, visual 28 left.
At 1742, San Francisco Tower, running 28 left, clear to land, wind 2207.
Okay, looks like I know 1742.
Oh, kiss my sink. It's double-decker time. Yeah, we saw them leave. They stay here at the Marriott SFO waterfront.
Combo 193, runway 28 to the left. Clear for
We
takeoff.
saw the crew come in and the crew depart. And here they go. They got 15 hours ahead of them to Dubai. 469 from the Motor City. You know it, you love it. 4.5 hours. Detroit. Seven, 900.
Papa Super cross runway 28 right, continue on Charlie.
It's close to right, Roger, then continue on Charlie, I'm at 415.
And yet another 7.5. This is 1742 from IAD. Washington Dulles. International
San
Airport.
Francisco Tower, right, 28 left, line up and wait. 28 left, line up and wait, up 3 back. Yeah, 1742, turn left at Echo and contact ground.
365 to Boston's Logan. The new Airbus A321neo that Delta's flying. This bird is got the new first class configuration for domestic travel. And soon we'll be traveling actually Tampa to LAX nonstop.
Line up and wait to right, Roger, with 415.
Coming up soon.
Level 469, cross runway 28 left at Echo and contact ground. Good cross 28 left at Echo and ground, Delta 469, good day.
Still the 365, contact NorCal departure.
Book 365.
This is 367, turn right at Kilo and contact ground.
Here comes the boss's girlfriends. About 25 of whom are on board this A380 heading back to Dubai. Yeah, she's buddies with all the FAs
Papa Super wind 23012.
from Emirates.
Right, cleared for takeoff.
Go figure.
This is Echo from wind 28 Roger, but full 1 Papa.
And you ought to see the pictures I got of her and the Singapore crew. Holy crap. They're like best buddies. What do they call it? Besties?
San Francisco Airport is now Kilo, altimeter is 2988. I'm monitoring tower, Whisper Jet 28, thanks.
Rumbling, stumbling, the beast. The A380 Super.
So it's 360 Heavy, San Francisco Tower. Crossway Turbulence Heavy, correction Super Airbus 380 departing with 24014, runway 28 right, cleared to land.
Wow, it's one of the longer rolls we've seen today. A lot of fuel on board for that 15-hour trip.
Emirates 415 Papa Super, contact NorCal departure. Emirates 415 Papa.
Oh, I think they cleared the Tower of Shame, but it was close. Swiss Air, not to be confused with the Swiss Army knife. Swiss Air 38 departed Zurich, Switzerland, a little over 11 hours ago. I always thought this was a good-looking livery. Nicely done.
28 San Francisco Tower, runway 28 right, line up away, caution wing turbulence from the left. Line up and away, 28 right, caution wing turbulence, Whisper Jet 28.
Whisper, Jet. Whisper.
Coast 36 Zulu Heavy, turn left at Tango, cross runway 28 left and contact ground.
Flight Tango crossing runway 28 left and contact ground.
Turkish 79 from the hashish capital of the world. I don't know that. It's not true. I don't know why I even said that. 79 from Istanbul. Turkish Air with the chef on board. Looking good in the afternoon sun. 13 hours and 10 minutes from Istanbul. Here's our Turkish Air we saw on the downwind leg for the 28s. Somebody just lit a cigarette. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm sorry, but it stinks. I'm out here with all this beautiful fresh air, and all of a sudden I get a whiff of, oh, yucko.
Turn left at Quebec. Hold short of runway 28 left.
Hold short, turn left to Quebec, hold short runway 28 left, 13790.
Speedbird has been cleared. I must put the sign back on again. Stand next to me. This path, I kid you not, is miles and miles and miles long.
Big offset, contact northbound departure.
It's funny filming just one runway here. Normally we go back and forth between the 1s and 2.8s. 2.8s is all we got because of the wind. 14 and a half hours from Delhi. 7,700 miles. So that's about 1,000 miles shorter than Singapore. Boy, I saw so many different airlines I had never seen before. Looking out the window the last day from our, we moved to the Crown Plaza Hotel at Changi so that we could film, and that didn't go well. I only got one show in, and that was from the room. But so convenient in that hotel. But we saw so many unique colors. So many A380 Supers, 7.4s. It was pretty cool.
Air India 183 Heavy, the ramp advises us it'll be about a 15-minute wait for your gate.
Oh, crap, hold on.
Departure and left onto Sierra 2, and then contact ground.
Good news, we're early. Bad news, we got no place to park. So if anybody on board has really got to go to the bathroom bad and they think they're going to get to the gate in about 10 seconds, I shouldn't laugh at it. That would be me. My luck would be me. Hanging out the window.
Go 3465 San Francisco Tower. Traffic 6 mile final, running 28 left, line void. Runway 28 left, scan 3465.
San Francisco Tower, good evening. Taka 562, joining final, 28 right, visual approach.
Taka 562 San Francisco Tower, running 28 right for land.
Runway 28 right, clear to land, Taka 562.
Dynasty 00 for Heavy, turn left at Delta, contact ground.
Left at Delta, contact ground, Dynasty 00.
Sky 3465, traffic 2.5 miles final, running 28 left, clear for takeoff.
28 left, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 3465.
Delta 823, hold short, running 28 left.
Short of 28 left, Delta 823.
San Francisco Tower, good afternoon, Horizon 2074, visual for 28 left.
Horizon 2074, San Francisco Tower, running 28 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land, Horizon 2074.
Sky 3465, contact departure.
Good day, Sky 3465.